Welcome to this beautifully remodeled one-level home on nearly 2 acres in Gaffney, South Carolina. Perfect for multi-generational living, this home features 2 master bedrooms with walk-in closets and private bathrooms, offering comfort, privacy, and flexibility for family, guests, or rental potential. Fireplace in the living room adds warmth and charm. Additional highlights include a dedicated laundry room, accent walls, ceiling fans throughout, and a newer AC system and roof for years of worry-free living. Step outside to a spacious deck overlooking partially fenced land, ideal for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying outdoor activities. The long driveway and expansive yard provide plenty of space, privacy, and outdoor possibilities. This South Carolina gem combines modern upgrades, thoughtful design, and nearly 2 acres of land, making it a rare opportunity in Gaffney. With no HOA and a fully remodeled interior, this home is ready for your next chapter.